What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be changing out the negative battery cable, which is necessary on this vehicle because it actually broke up here, and been having to find other ways to tighten it. Right now it's got this clamp on there, which is not correct, but also this car's having a lot of electrical issues, and I'm having major problems, and so at least it'll eliminate that as well. I have tested it, and it tested okay, so I don't think there's anything wrong with it other than, of course, missing this this tightener here and the fact that I have to do this. But I still want to change it out anyway, so I'm going to show you how that's done. And first step, of course, you would loosen it and remove it. And it's not too difficult, but it is a little harder than I would like it to be. We're going to take away the whole battery. So we're going to take off the negative side and the positive, and we're just going to take this battery out. And we're going to have to loosen these bolts here. There's not bolts, but there's 4 nuts. So they come out pretty easy. I mean, obviously I have a power tool there, but once you loosen them up, they can come out by hand. And there's going to be 4 little bolts. One down here, and one down here. This will pop out like that. And then we want to loosen these bolts here to the battery tray here. This thing removed here, this thing will come out like this. And at that point in time, you can see this is where the ground connects right here. Okay, so this is also 13 millimeter. Just get down in there, and we loosen it up. Painted red too, so you'll know which one that is. So you can remove this, and that is literally it. At this point in time, we can go ahead and take this out, follow it all the way here, goes through this little hole in the tray. That's it. So I haven't bought a new one. I wanted to measure this one and see the length to make sure I get the right size, but that's pretty much that. And then so let's go get the new one. Here's one. This is Duralast battery cable GT 225B. A little bit longer, 25 inches. Not massively longer. It's got this extra branch coming out, which is nice because I need that. Let's go ahead and pick this one up. Take that little red nut, twist it enough so it won't fall. Okay. Well, I'll put everything, I'll slip this back in. Necessarily not going to put the nuts on just yet, just in case, but clear. 3. Okay, so the tray is secure. Let's see the new cable. Gotta put the positive one back in. Reconnected the battery, just stripped both sides, just tighten it up this way. I'll put some tape around it. Okay, so we're good there. And that's it. Now I'll just put these nuts back on to hold on the main computer there, and it should be good. That's a new negative battery cable. Roll it again. I just can't wait to